Hello students, let's do very important question of trigonometry. Tan x equals to n tan y and sin x equals to m sin y. This is given. We have to prove that cos square x equals to m square minus 1 upon n square minus 1. Let's take tan x equals to n tan y. This is given. Tan x equals to n tan y can be written as 1 upon cot y because cot is reciprocal of tan. In place of tan y we have written 1 upon cot y. Now take this cot y on the left hand side and tan x on the right hand side. We have cot y equals to n upon tan x. Clear? Squaring both sides. What do we get? Cot square y equals to n square upon tan square x. Take this as 1. Another thing is given. Sin x equals to m sin y. Sin x equals to m sin y can be written as 1 upon cosec y because cosec is reciprocal of sin. In place of sin y we have written 1 upon cosec y. Now again cosec on the left hand side and sin x on the right hand side. We have cosec y equals to m upon sin x, squaring both sides. What do we get? Cosec square y equals to m square upon sin square x. Clear? Take this as 2. Now बच्चे, we have an identity 1 plus cot square a equals to cosec square a. And what is cosec square a minus cot square a? 1. Cosec square a minus cot square a is equals to 1. What we will do? We will subtract second from first. Left hand side will be subtracted from left hand side, right hand side from the right hand side. Subtract 1 from 2. We have cosec square y minus cot square y equals to m square upon sin square x minus n square upon tan square x. Clear? बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing it from here. Now बच्चे cosec square y minus cot square y is 1 equals to m square upon sin square x. Tan square x can be written as sin square x upon cos square x minus n square upon sin square x upon cos square x. We have a fraction in denominator. This cos square x will go in the numerator. We will do the reciprocal of this. So now we have m square upon sin square x minus n square cos square x upon sin square x. Now sin square x is the LCM. In the numerator we have m square minus n square cos square x. Take sin square x on the left hand side. 1 into sin square x is sin square x equals to m square minus n square cos square x. But we have to prove cos square x equals to something. We don't need any sin square x. What we will do? Using the identity sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x equals to m square minus n square cos square x. Bring the term of cos square x on the left hand side and take 1 on the right hand side. We have n square cos square x minus cos square x equals to m square minus 1. What is common? Cos square x. Inside we have n square minus 1 equals to m square minus 1. What will be the value of cos square x? Cos square x is m square minus 1 upon n square minus 1. So, we have proved our answer. M equals to cos theta minus sin theta and n equals to cos theta plus sin theta. We have to show that m upon n whole under root plus n upon m whole under root equals to 2 upon under root 1 minus tan square theta. Let's take left hand side. M upon n whole under root can be written as root m upon root n plus, here we can write root n upon root m. Here, take LCM. Root n into root m is LCM. Root m, n already we have. Root m into root m, we will get m. Plus, in the same way, root m we have. Root n into root n is n. We have m plus n upon root n into root m. What is m? M is cos theta minus sin theta. In place of m, I am writing cos theta minus sin theta plus n. What is n? Cos theta plus sin theta upon root mn. We can write it as root mn. Root cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. Sin theta cancel. We have 2 times cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. A minus b into a plus b. Which identity is this? A whole square minus b whole square. We have within roots cos square theta minus sin square theta. But as per our question, we have to prove left hand side as 2 upon under root 1 minus tan square theta. But in the numerator we have cos theta. Let's divide numerator and denominator. We cannot divide only numerator or only denominator with any number or any value of any trigonometric value. With cos theta, what will we get? 2 cos theta upon cos theta upon. Here we have under root. If we divide it by cos theta, let's write cos square theta minus sin square theta. We have divided it by cos theta. If we have to put this cos theta inside the bracket, this is cancelled. 2 upon. What can we write? Cos square theta minus sin square theta upon inside the root sign, it will become cos square theta. Because if you write under root a square in the under root, what we will get? A. So, we have 2 upon. In the under root, we have cos square theta upon cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta upon cos square theta is tan square theta, which is our right hand side. Prove that cos square theta upon 1 minus tan theta plus sin cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Now, बच्चे, taking left hand side, we have cos square theta upon, in the left hand side we have all the terms of sin and cos, but here we have tan, and in the right hand side we have to show sin and cos. So, first step we will change tan in the form of sin and cos. And what is tan? Sin theta upon cos theta plus sin cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. cos square theta upon LCM cos theta in the denominator. We have cos theta minus sin theta plus sin cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Now we have fraction in denominator. This cos will go in the numerator. Cos square theta into cos theta will become cos cube theta upon cos theta minus sin theta plus sin cube theta, and here we have sin theta minus cos theta. Now here in the denominator we have cos theta minus sin theta, and here we have sin theta minus cos theta. If we take minus sign out, we will get minus sign here and plus here, and this minus sign will go in place of plus sign. So what will we get? Cos cube theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Here we will get negative sign, sin cube theta upon, in the denominator we will have cos theta minus sin theta. Now both the denominators are same. Taking LCM, cos theta minus sin theta, and in the numerator we will have cos cube theta minus sin cube theta. What is a cube minus b cube? I have told many times. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So we have cos theta minus sin theta, a square, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos theta sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. This whole term get cancelled. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? First write it again. We have cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos theta sin theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus cos theta sin theta, and this is equals to right hand side. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to p, we have to prove that cos theta equals to p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. Let's take right hand side this time. What is our right hand side? P square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. Do this question very patiently. P square means square of this term, cosec theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 upon cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 times cosec theta cot theta minus 1 upon cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 times cosec theta cot theta plus 1. Now बच्चे, we have an identity 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. In the numerator we have cosec square theta minus 1. What will be the value of cosec square theta minus 1? Cot square theta. In place of these two terms, cosec square theta minus 1, we will get cot square theta plus we have one more cot square theta plus 2 times cosec theta cot theta upon. In the denominator we have cot square theta plus 1. We have taken these two terms. What is cot square theta plus 1? Cosec square theta. We have written cosec square theta plus we have another cosec square theta plus 2 times cosec theta cot theta. Cot square theta plus cot square theta is 2 times cot square theta plus 2 times cos sec theta cot theta upon 2 times cos sec square theta plus 2 times cos sec theta cot theta. What is common in the numerator? We have 2 times cot theta common, 2 times cot theta. What is left? Cot theta plus cos sec theta. In the denominator, what is common? 2 times cos sec theta. Inside we have cos sec theta plus cot theta. Now, cot theta plus cos sec theta plus cot theta. One and the same thing. A plus b is equals to b plus a. This get cancelled. 2 and 2 also get cancelled. We have cot theta upon cos sec theta. But we have to prove this as cos theta. What is cot? Cos theta upon sin theta. And what is cos sec? 1 upon sin theta. Fraction in the denominator. What we will do? Cos theta upon sin theta into reciprocal of denominator sin theta upon 1. Sin theta get cancelled. What is left with us? Cos theta. So this is equals to our left hand side. Prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. Now बच्चे, in the left hand side we have terms of tan and cot. In the right hand side also we have terms of tan and cot. So there is no need to change the terms of tan and cot in form of sine or cos. Let's do it like this. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan theta plus, here again I am writing cot theta as 1 upon tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Cot is reciprocal of tan. We have tan theta upon LCM in the denominator tan theta. Here we have tan theta minus 1 plus 1 upon tan theta, and in the denominator we have 1 minus tan theta. We have fraction in the denominator. This tan theta will go in the numerator. Tan theta into tan theta, tan square theta upon tan theta minus 1. Here we have 1 minus tan theta. Again, if we take negative sign outside, it will become minus 1 and plus tan theta. If we take this minus sign out, and this minus sign will go in place of positive sign, so we will get minus 1 upon tan theta and 1 minus tan theta, tan theta minus 1. Clear? So our LCM will be tan theta and tan theta minus 1. Here in the denominator we have tan theta minus 1. So what we will do? We will multiply numerator with tan theta. So tan square theta into tan theta is tan cube theta. Here is minus sign. We have tan theta and tan theta minus 1 both in the numerator, so denominator, so we will get 1. Now tan cube theta minus 1 can be written as tan cube theta minus 1 cube. We can write it as 1 cube is 1. What is a cube minus b cube? Again same formula. Tan theta minus 1 tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta. A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab upon tan theta and tan theta minus 1. This term get cancelled. What is left? Tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta upon tan theta. If we have term a plus b plus c upon 2, we can write it as a upon 2 plus b upon 2 plus c upon 2. In the same way, I am writing tan square theta upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus tan theta upon tan theta. Tan square theta upon tan theta, what will we get? Tan theta plus 1 upon tan cot theta, and here both tan get cancelled 1. So we have tan theta plus cot theta plus 1, which is equals to our right hand side. If tan theta plus sec theta equals to L, we have to prove that sec theta equals to L square plus 1 upon 2L. Let's take the given term, which is tan theta plus sec theta equals to L. Squaring both sides, we have tan theta plus sec theta whole square equals to L square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. In the same way, we have tan square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 times tan theta sec theta is equals to L square. In our answer, we need sec theta. Now, बच्चे, tan square theta can be written as, our identity is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, and tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1. In place of tan square theta, we will write sec square theta minus 1 plus 2 times tan theta sec theta plus sec square theta equals to L square. Take this one on the right hand side. We have sec square theta plus sec square theta, 2 times sec square theta plus 2 times tan theta sec theta equals to L square plus 1. What is common? 2 times sec theta is common. Inside we have sec theta plus tan theta, and this is equals to L square plus 1. What is sec theta plus tan theta? L. 2 times sec theta into L equals to L square plus 1. We have to find the value of sec theta. Sec theta will be equals to L square plus 1 upon 2L, which is equals to right hand side. X upon A sin theta minus y upon B cos theta equals to 1. X upon A cos theta plus y upon B sin theta is also equals to 1. We have to prove that x square upon A square plus y square upon B square is equals to 2. Let's take the first term. We have x upon A sin theta minus y upon B cos theta as 1. Squaring both sides. As we want something in x square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Better to learn it like a square plus b square minus 2ab. We have x square upon a square sin square theta plus y square upon b square cos square theta minus 2 times x upon a sin theta into y upon b cos theta. Take it as first. Second term was x upon a cos theta plus y upon b sin theta equals to 1. Again squaring both sides. We have squared. Now we are again squaring both sides. We have x square upon a square cos square theta plus y square upon b square sin square theta plus 2 times x upon a cos theta into y upon b sin theta equals to 1. This is equals to 1. Let's take it as first. This is as second. Now we have to prove that this term plus this term is equals to 2. Now what we will do, if we add first equation and second equation, we will add left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. If we add these right hand side, we will get 2. Let's add. Add equation 1 and 2. Left hand side will be added to left hand side, right hand side to the right hand side. We have x square upon a square sine square theta plus y square upon b square cos square theta minus 2 times xy upon ab sine theta cos theta plus we are adding left hand side x square upon a square cos square theta plus y square upon b square sine square theta plus 2 times xy upon ab sine theta cos theta, and this is equals to right hand side 1 plus 1. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I am copying it from here so that you don't get confused. Now बच्चे 2xy upon ab into sine theta cos theta, positive and negative both get cancelled. We have x square upon a square sine square theta. Here we have x square upon a square cos square theta. Let's take these two terms. We will get x square upon a square sine square theta plus x square upon a square cos square theta plus y square upon b square cos square theta plus y square upon b square sine square theta equals to 2. What is common? X square upon a square. Inside we have sine square theta plus cos square theta plus here we have y square upon b square common. Inside we have cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is equals to 2. And what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? 1. Here we have x square upon a square into 1, or you can write it in a bracket, plus y square upon b square. Here also cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1 equals to 2. So we have got x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 2. This we have